Hey Non-Techies, this is Jess from Non-Techie HQ. In today's tutorial, we will go over how to get started with Acuity from Squarespace. In your Squarespace dashboard, you want to go to the left-hand side and click Schedule. From here, it will open up and set up your Acuity page. From here, you'll have 14-day free trial to utilize the emerging plan of Acuity. In these 14 days, you are able to sell appointments and use the services that are underneath that 14-day trial. On the left-hand side, you'll see a calendar, an overview, business settings, notifications, and your Squarespace account. In the main section on the right, you'll see a getting started guide, your day trial, and your scheduling page link. On the left hand side, calendar is where you will have an overview of your calendar and you're able to block off time and add new appointments or orders. For scheduling page, this is how your scheduling page will act and look. The first page is appearance, which will go over how your scheduling page will look to your clients. Your scheduling page options have different options that you can set for your appointments. If you are a developer or you are looking to add CSS code to your scheduling page, you could do that here. And then you have link. This is where you can change your link name or copy your link name to use it to share to your customers. You can also do direct links and embedding on Squarespace, send a direct link, create a booking button, a booking bar, or embed your scheduling page other places. Back on our homepage, we'll go down to clients, and this is where you will see the list of clients that you have in your Acuity account. Here, if we click a client name, you'll be able to see their upcoming appointments, past appointments, any forms that they filled out, the notes about the client, and their name, phone, and email. You can schedule this client, you can edit this client, you can also ban this client from scheduling, and you can print this customer account. You can also delete it, and we will go back. Here's our list. You can also import and export your client list in to make it easier to get started with Acuity. Back at our homepage, we'll go to Invoices. This is where we can create invoices to send to clients. Next is Reports, where we are able to see the appointments, revenue, users, intake forms, tips for our reports in our scheduling app. Next is your availability. Here you're able to go in and put your hours of availability in and your scheduling limits. Next is Room and Resources, where you can add resources such as TVs, rooms, or other tools for your appointments. You also can set your global scheduling limits. For general, start time intervals, minimizing gaps, look busy, and your time zone. Back in our main list, we'll go to appointment types, where this is where you can add new services or group classes. You can add ones here, and you can add coupons for your appointments. Next is your intake form questions. This is a form that your clients will see when booking an appointment. You can create a custom form, a terms and conditions agreement, or a SOAP notes form. Next is packages, gifts, and subscriptions. You can add an appointment package, a gift certificate, or subscription here. These are available on the Growing and Powerhouse plans, not on the Emerging plan. Next is coupons for your packages. You can view your list of orders, and you can view your subscribers. Next is integrations. Here is a list of integrations that you can use in your Acuity for many different pieces of booking your payments and connections. Next is sync with other calendars, which you can connect it to your Google Calendar, your iCloud, your Outlook, Office 360, Exchange, and .com. And you can also set up a one-way calendar sync. Next is payment settings. This is where you will add your payment processor in. Stripe, Square, and PayPal are currently available. You can also set your currency and your deposits. Next is notification menu. This is where you'll see all of your email settings for the emails that Acuity sends out to your customers. Next is SMS Messaging, where you can set up your templates for your reminders that will be sent out. This is also available on the Growing or Powerhouse plan. Last is the booking alerts. This is where you will receive email notifications when an appointment or a class is booked. So you will receive those emails and you can have it either weekly or daily. So that is the Acuity scheduling platform. That is how you get started from your Squarespace store.